Hello there everybody and welcome back. My name is Daniel, the man who needs no introduction but desperately wants one, Valvo. And today I want you to forget everything you learned about polygons, quadrilaterals, triangles, all of it. Because we're getting rid of straight lines and talking about circles. But then afterwards you should really go back and rewatch the videos on quadrilaterals and triangles because that information is incredibly important. To start off, let's just define what a circle is. I was hoping to get a real dictionary for this, but honestly I couldn't find one. Who has a real dictionary anymore? But the online Oxford Dictionary calls a circle a completely round, flat shape. But how helpful is that? I mean, is this a circle? It's round and flat, right? How about this? Or this? Or this? I don't know what's going on at Oxford, but we can do better. Mathematically, a circle is the set of all points that